So you might be trying to figure out how to turn off those little pop-ups that basically say like turn off, the iPhone may be too close or whatever. They basically look something like this. I'm sure most of you have already seen it if you've already seen these types of messages. Now this is within Apple's new, basically their eye strain screen distance feature within iOS 17. So if you actually want to go and turn this off, the basic thing you're going to want to do is you want to hop inside of your settings application. Now when you do that, you'll come into this particular page. What you're going to want to do here is you want to go and make your way over to your screen time little option that's right here. So tap on the screen time and this little page is going to come up. Now what you're going to want to do here is you want to tap on screen distance. Now it's going to ask you to basically type in your specific passcode. So type in the screen time passcode that you have and you're going to basically get into this feature where it's going to show you screen distance. Now if you're getting those pop-ups, it may already be on. So what you can do is you can go and turn this off just like this, and that's going to be it. You basically won't be getting those pop-ups anymore, and that is essentially at the core all you're going to have to do, and it really is that basic. Now if you want to turn it back on, all you have to do is go back into your settings application, go back into screen time, go into screen distance, which is right here, and then you can turn this feature back on just like that, and that's essentially how you do it. It's a super, super basic process. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.